Hello, I'm Linda from Salty Seattle, and I'm gonna show you the coolest gnocchi technique on earth. We're gonna make two different gnocchi doughs. One of them is gonna be white and one of them will be green. And we're going to sandwich those on top of one another and use a plunger cutter, like a little cookie cutter, to cut out super cool shapes. I'm gonna show you with a basic ricotta gnocchi dough, which is kind of whitish colored, and then we're going to put that against a bright, vibrant green parsley gnocchi dough. Outside of Italy, people a lot of times have heard of potato gnocchi. That's actually not super common within Italy. It's one variation or one kind of gnocchi, but you also have semolina gnocchi, you have ricotta gnocchi, you have gnocchi made just with flour and water, you have gnocchi with eggs. So similar to pasta, there are a lot of different variations on the dough. And the reason that I love to use ricotta gnocchi for this particular type of gnocchi is that it makes it really light and fluffy. Gnocchi is kind of one of those things that you either love it or hate it. And a lot of times I hear when people don't like it, some of the things they don't like about it are, oh, it's really dense or it's really chewy. We are kind of trying to avoid that with this ricotta gnocchi by making it nice and light and using all that air that is ripped into the ricotta to sort of fluff up our gnocchi and make them these beautiful little shapes that we're making for you today. You could make these awesome gnocchi in heart shapes if you wanted to do that around, say, Valentine's Day, or you could do shamrocks, or you could do anything that you have a cookie cutter for that's between 1 inch and 2 inches, because if you think about it, we're making these bite-sized. You could use any cutters for this technique. I hope that you enjoyed this and will join me next time. Always new videos posted about crazy colors of pasta, so please subscribe below, Salty Seattle, and ask any questions that you may have. Thanks for joining me.